Now we're going to discuss how to connect two computers directly. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. The first one is to get a hub or a switch and two Ethernet cables, one for each PC, connect one end of the cable to each computer and then the other end of each cable to the hub or the switch. Those will act as kind of an intermediary between the two. The method we're going to show a little bit more detail is using a crossover cable. Now, you will notice that a crossover cable looks an awful lot like a regular Ethernet cable. And it's true, it's pretty much the same materials used. Well, it is the same materials used, but there's a difference. If you look closely at the ends of the network cable, the regular Ethernet cable, you'll notice that the colored wires that are inside the connectors are in the same pattern on both sides. Now, if you look at the crossover cable, you'll notice that there's a change. They're not quite the same. And the reason for that is it allows the machines to connect directly without having to use a hub as an intermediary. So, in order to use the crossover cable, first thing you'll need to do is take your first laptop or other computer, connect the Ethernet cable like so, take the other end, connect the Ethernet cable into that one, into the other machine, power them both up. And if you're using a Mac, you'll need to go into the System Preferences control dialog and then hit the networking preferences and configure from there. If you're using Windows, especially if you're using Windows XP or Vista, you can use the networking wizard to walk you through how to connect the two computers together.